change notification tone on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change notification tone on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it, and then here we'll find this one. You need to find it here in top, notification tone. Click on it and then select here anything you want. Click settings, and here just select any tone you want, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.